Hi, I'm Grant Welk, the 2022-2023 chairperson for the College Student Volunteer Program here at Volunteer Services in UI Healthcare. Today, I am so excited to share more information about our program and the many opportunities available for you to get involved. Our program is one of the largest student-led hospital volunteer programs in the US and is centered in Iowa's only comprehensive academic medical center, which provides our volunteers with unique opportunities for service, learning, and leadership. Our collective mission is to improve the experiences of patients and families at UI hospitals and clinics and the UI Stead Family Children's Hospital. In accordance with this mission, Volunteer Services helps coordinate more than 800 college students and 1,300 total volunteers who donate over 100,000 hours of their time to better support our patients and their families. From this work, our amazing volunteers and staff are able to save UI Healthcare over $2 million annually and provide $350,000 of funding to support new programs and initiatives that directly impact patients. If this work sounds interesting to you, then I have great news. There are over 100 positions available for hospital staff, community members, and students to serve in. Now, Volunteer Services offers a variety of ways to learn and grow, beginning with our wonderful volunteers. Our over 1,300 volunteers work closely with a variety of healthcare staff and with patients in order to improve the care we provide. Since joining our program, some of these awesome volunteers have had the opportunity to serve as unit mentors. Every unit within UI Healthcare has the opportunity to select volunteers to become mentors, who are then able to model behavior and train new volunteers, while also helping to support the student leader board member as they coordinate the unit's volunteer work. Each year, a small group of exceptional volunteers are selected to serve on the student leader board. This board coordinates our 800 volunteers in the College Student Volunteer Program, and they work closely with staff supervisors in order to oversee each unit's volunteer work. And all these leaders, bringing many different experiences and interests, join the program just like you, with the same mission to improve the experiences of patients and families. As you can see, there are so many wonderful opportunities for service, leadership, and growth through our program. Now, I'll turn it over to our student leader board members who can share their own experiences with you.
You can truly make a difference while volunteering. I often hear from patients and staff how much the extra help means to them.
For many patients and their families, it can be a daunting experience walking into such a large university hospital, but as a volunteer, I've had the opportunity to help these patients find their way, which, as only a small gesture, can change the entire outlook of their day.
One of the most impactful experiences I've had here as a volunteer at the hospital was with a lady who stayed on my unit for about 4 months. She was one of the sweetest, kindest, and most compassionate humans I'd ever met, and I'm so grateful to have gotten to know her for so long and to have heard all of her amazing stories.
As a volunteer at UIHC, you get to gain access to amazing medical staff, and you get to gain deep insight into how patient care and patient interaction can be done. Talking one-on-one with physicians, nurses, nursing assistants, physical therapists, pharmacists, and many more healthcare professionals allow you to see how that specific role functions in the hospital and healthcare system as a whole.
One of the really cool things about volunteering at UHC is that you have the opportunity to move up in leadership roles as you go through your time here. I've loved having the opportunity to mentor new volunteers on my unit and get to work with staff members through my role as a student leader board member.
As a mentor and student leader board member at UIHC, you'll have the opportunity to teach volunteers how to be the best they can be to help patients and families on your unit, as well as gain valuable leadership experience.
I think the great thing about UIHC's volunteering program is the ability for volunteers to move up and being able to get those new leadership opportunities within the hospital and specific unit. Being able to learn how to lead, communicate, and innovate are all essential skills to have as a healthcare professional and something you unknowingly learn as a volunteer.
On the student leader board, you not only get the opportunity to work with other students who are passionate about healthcare, but you also get the opportunity to develop your own leadership and communication style that will serve you well beyond your years in the program.
I think being a part of the student leader board is a great opportunity for anyone who's looking to meet other volunteers who are passionate about volunteering, just like I am, or just like other members of the student leader board are. I've made a lot of friends in the program, and I think it's just a great program overall, and we're just a very tight-knit family.